Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of multi-inventory system for Shopware. Now this particular plugin allows the admin to create multiple inventory sources from the admin backend panel under the configuration settings there. The admin can add the details while creating the inventory source like the source name, source address and the contact information for this inventory source itself. The admin can assign an inventory source while creating the product and can also assign stock to the ordered product as required. And this will help in easy tracking of the products. Now to give you an example of the multi-inventory system for Shopware, for example, suppose you have only one warehouse in California. A customer from Nevada has ordered some products and for delivering that product from California location can cause a delay in delivery of the product, increased transportation costs, etc. However, if you are having an inventory or warehouse in Nevada, then the product will reach the customer very soon, which will further cut down the time and shipping costs. So here comes in the multi-inventory system for the Shopware there. So basically this particular plugin allows the admin to assign product stock to the inventory. The admin can add multiple inventories in the store. The admin can assign stock to the ordered product. The admin can see the list of assigned ordered products in the order details page, and it is easy to track the products using this multi-inventory system for Shopware itself. So in today's video tutorial, what I'll be doing is I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the admin's end, and I'll be showing you how the admin would be able to manage the inventory sources in the first place, how to add the inventory sources to products and assign quantity, and then we'll be placing an order as a customer, and after placing the order we'll see how the admin can add the inventory in the products order. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the Shopware backend and I'll be entering the username, password and tapping on the login button thereafter. So for the multi-inventory system for Shopware, first of all we'll see how to manage the inventory sources. To do so, after the successful installation of the multi-source inventory for Shopware, you need to navigate through settings and then extensions, and here you'll find one option with the name inventory source. So you'll have to tap on that. And if it's the first time that you're coming to this particular place, then this particular section would be empty. Otherwise, if you have already created the inventory sources, then you will be able to see the name of the inventory sources, their code, their status, and from here you can edit or delete the inventory sources as per your own requirement there. To edit any inventory source, you just need to tap here on the edit button, and that would bring up the complete details of the inventory source itself, like as you can see here, the name of the inventory source, the inventory source code, its description, the sales channel where it will be enabled, its status, the contact information, the source address, likewise. So to add a new source, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the create button. That would bring up the section to create a new inventory source. So here you have to enter the details of the inventory source. So let's get ahead and let's enter the details of the inventory source. For example, I'll set the name of the inventory source to Nevada. I'll set the code as NV, test description. The sales channel would be Webkul shop. The status is enabled. The contact information, the contact number, source address, postal code, country, state, and then I'll tap here on the save button to save the particular inventory source. So you can see that I've created 3 different sources. One is for New York, one is for Germany, and one is for Nevada. And the name, code, their status is visible here. So this is how to manage the inventory sources in the first place, so you can create multiple inventory sources as per your own requirement. Now let's see how to add inventory sources to products and assign quantity to the same. For that we'll navigate to catalogs and then products. Here we'll find the complete list of products that we are having within the store. And here what we need to do is, for any of the products, be it a new product that you're going to create or an already created product, you just need to open that particular product. And after opening the product in the edit mode, you need to navigate to one of the tabs, that's the Inventories tab. Here you can assign or add inventory sources to the product and can assign the quantity to the same. So here you can see that we have the Nevada, Germany and New York as well. So I'll choose it as New York, Germany, Nevada. So this particular product is available in the Nevada warehouse, Germany warehouse as well as New York warehouse. And I'll set the quantity for each of the warehouses here as 123, and I'll tap here on the save button thereafter. So the inventory quantities have been updated successfully and the inventory sources have been assigned to the particular product there. Now let me take you to the web store front end and let me log into the customer account here. After logging into the customer account, let me go and search for the product, that's the shoe product. And let's place the order for the shoe product there. So I'll add it to the cart and I'll proceed to check out thereafter. I'll be accepting the terms and conditions and I'll tap here on the submit order button. Now after placing the order, we'll see how the admin can add the inventory in the product's order. For that, let's go back and let's go to the orders, add overview, and here we'll find the particular order 10014 Smith John, $400. It's open. We'll view the particular order. Now when we are viewing the particular order, we'll see one more tab here. If I scroll down here, you can see that the item is shoe item that was used, that was purchased by the customer there. And here you cannot see any source being assigned to this particular order for the product. So we'll go to the inventories and here we can see the shoe product. Order quantity is 1, the quantity to ship is 1. Here we'll tap on these 3 dots and tap on the set inventories. And here we can add the inventory. So I'll tap add. From the drop down I can choose any one of them. So I'll go with Nevada. The available quantity is 123 being displayed for this one. The quantity I want to do is 1 and I'll tap here on the save button thereafter. So you can see that you have been created successfully and no products to set inventories. Now if I go to the general tab once again and I scroll down, here under the shipment you can see that the shoe product is being sent out from the inventory source, that's from the Nevada inventory source, and the total quantity is 1 there itself. So yes, that was much about the particular plugin, that's the multi-source multi-inventory system for the Shopware there, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com as well. And I hope it helped you out in understanding that this plugin allows the admin to create multiple inventory sources, and the admin can add the details while creating the inventory source like the name, the source address and the contact information. The admin can assign an inventory source while creating the product and can also assign the stock to the ordered product, and this will help in the easy tracking of the product. Apart from that, I also showed you how to manage the inventory sources, how to add inventory sources to the products and assign quantity, how after the customer has placed the order, how the admin can add the inventory source in the product's order there as well. So I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow there. So if you liked the video, do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.